Hey guys, how you doing? It's your boy James Truss with howtogetpaiddaily.com and marketonlinewithjames.com. Guys, go ahead and do me a favor. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs down. Subscribe to this channel, guys. Comment. Let me know where you're from. Say hi. It helped the algorithm, guys. Again, it helped the algorithm. It helped me reach those people that are looking, that want to make money from home. This opportunity may not be for you, and that's okay, guys. If it's not for you, that's okay. Just give me a thumbs up, say something so that I can find those people that this opportunity may be for. All right? Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel. Now, again, I'm James Trust, guys. You know, if you've been watching my videos, I've told you I'm only going to join about two opportunities or promote two opportunities, maybe three this year. And this is my second opportunity. I wanted to go with Get Fearless Freedom with Tammy Montgomery, who is the owner. I've been knowing Tammy for years. Tammy, I've been doing this since 2019, guys, and a lot of people are being successful. I'm gonna show you where they made 30K. Well, 30K was paid out in last month of February. Some people made some pretty good money. If you're looking at earn about $3,000 to $5,000 a month and add it to your portfolio, this is a great opportunity, guys. Great opportunity. That's a video of the live Zooms, which goes on every month. I love it. I was on my first uh, private training with Tammy this last week, and I enjoyed every bit of it, man. Uh, Tammy very knowledgeable in the industry. I know a lot, but you know I'm always teachable, and you should be teachable as well. All right, iron sharpen iron, guys. Listen to me. Now this is to get fearless level one. Listen, $200 one time and $47 a month. You see what you get. Capture page, the branding page, tracking, one click autoresponder, hosting all your pages, etc., etc. Right here, get mastery level two. $500 one time, 47 a month. You get what you get in number one, and you get much more. And I think you get the 𝐭𝐡𝐢𝐬 software with this one, guys. Okay. Now, Supreme Freedom level number three is $1,000. This is where I came in at. I love it, guys. $47 a month. You get everything. One, two, and three. So go ahead, guys. Pause this video, read it, watch it, and you can see for yourself what type of value Tam is adding in this opportunity. So many opportunities are coming and going. This been around. I like it. And one thing I like about it, guys, is that I can talk to Tammy. I can talk to her on Facebook. I can talk to Tammy on the phone. I can call Tammy, etc., etc. Great support and great leadership. I'm in it for the long haul. I believe this is it. I found me a home, and I'm going to promote it and get a lot of traffic coming to it, guys, and in every state and everywhere that I can, because I think Tammy really got the heart to help people. Now, this is what I was talking about. Check this out, guys. March, 33 new members. A lot of people came in February. All right, over 30K put directly into members' pocket, and we're just getting started. Okay, so I want a piece of that pie. I want about 3 to 5,000 of that 30K that the plan is putting out and helping people get every month. If you want a piece of it, guys, join me, join my team. I'd love to have you aboard. Listen, been around since 2019. There's a lot you can learn from this. Get learn from this opportunity with Tammy, man. So much value she can add. Always be teachable, guys. Always be teachable. You're cleaning up the Facebook page, which is a good idea. You don't want this lick loose hanging around. Don't want to do nothing and try to pitch their opportunity. Great job, Tammy. I salute you. Great for doing that. Come on, guys. Join me in this opportunity. Let's get started. All right. Let's get you started. This is the back office, guys. I'm trying to go fast because I don't want this video to go on like 6 minutes for real. You can see the dashboard, lead capture pages, campaign, video, branding pages, emailing, affiliate, payment information, guys, your team, master level, Craigslist, autoresponder. Great, man. Man, I'm already getting leads from Craigslist. I'm already getting leads, and I'm gonna amp it. I'm gonna amp it up, man. I'm gonna amp it up real huge in a minute on Craigslist. Been marketing on Craigslist, but I like that automatic autoresponder, man. People get opt in, checked out take out my opportunity and I can be in the bed. I ain't have to try to send it back. Right? That's what you want, guys. You want autopilot. You want to have stuff on autopilot. So I like that software. Supreme Freedom. So that's the side hustle ideas right there. Mastery training. I love that. YouTube success, showing you how to amp your stuff on your page on YouTube or how to build a YouTube channel. Beyond the limit. I don't know what that is yet. Hadn't got there. And money mastermind. Just to let you guys see a little bit of the back office. Fearless community mastermind, specializing in training, general training. I get it all, guys, because I came in at the $1,000 level. That's the level you want to look at joining if you can, guys. If not, hey, come in and get in where you fit in. Again, my name is James Truss with marketonlinewithjames.com and howtogetpaiddaily.com. Go ahead, click that link below, guys. Give me a thumb up, give me a thumb down, say something, guys. Comment on this and also subscribe to the channel. Guys, have a great day just because you can.